Christmas comes but once a year, a time of cherished traditions and family gatherings. But more and more, the season to be jolly comes at a price, and some festive spenders take it to the extreme. Nothing quite says Christmas like a decked out tree. But what about one which costs $11 million, earning the Guinness World Record for the world's most expensive Christmas tree? In 2010, the luxury Emirates Palace Hotel decked the halls with this blinged-out evergreen. The reason for this alarming price tag? The tree was opulently adorned with 181 pieces of jewellery, encrusted with precious stones. There's one Christmas card you probably shouldn't hold out for this year. This winter illustration might not look like much, but it's the world's most expensive Christmas card. It sold at auction in 2001 for just over $28,000. So what could be special about a simple greetings card? Written in the same year that Charles Dickens published A Christmas Carol, this is actually the first ever festive card. It was devised by Henry Cole in 1843. He could send the cards instead of lengthy seasonal letters, and the rest is history. Do you dream of indulging in more than just a gingerbread cookie this holiday season? Why not take inspiration from this Christmas cake, which is worth a tasty $1.7 million. Decorated with 223 diamonds, it went on sale at a department store in Tokyo in 2005. However, Santa's budget couldn't quite stretch that far, and the cake didn't actually sell. And remember, even if you don't get a diamond-encrusted cake this year, it's the thought that counts.